All right guys, last but not least, we have the final 5-minute spring summer look, which is
Kim K braid.
okay, the Kim K braid. All right, we can do that. So that's the extra long slick back braid. All right, so I'm gonna have to show you how to add a hair extension in 5 minutes for that long summer look. So first of all, we're gonna slick the hair back. So you're gonna go back in with a hairspray. So obviously when you're doing the slick back look, using the hairspray throughout the roots is really important. Follow the cheekbone and land right in the back of the head, right in the middle. So follow the cheekbone all the way back. So this is just a clear rubber elastic that we're gonna use to secure it. The reason I'm using this is it has a good amount of grip. All right, so now we're gonna add this, guys. So this is Kaneka long hair. It's inexpensive. You can just get the color to suit your hairstyle. All right, so we're gonna attach this with the elastic it comes with, just for speed. So we'll brush all the hair together. Don't worry about any loose hairs. Then what I like to do is just use some hairspray to give me some control. And then you literally just want to split the hair into 3 and just do your normal braid. Okay guys, so I'm using synthetic hair, but if you guys want to, you can also use real hair. You could just use a regular ponytail. The nice thing about this synthetic hair is that it's more affordable, it's less expensive, and honestly does just such a good job for a braid. All right, so let's just secure these ends. All right, well, no time for finishing touches. However, I think we did it in 5 minutes. So guys, I'm just adding some shine spray just to finish off. I think it's a great summer look. I like the way it sits, it looks cute. Nice slick back braid. One was what, 5.5 minutes? The only difficulty with sometimes is it can be tangly, but if you're just creating a braid, honestly, keep it simple, you should be fine. Attach it at the root, split the hair into 3, keep it nice and tight. Make sure you use the controlled hairspray, so we use the cult favorite hairspray. All right, so I guess we should get this out.
No, I'm keeping it.
You're keeping it?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So that was my free 5-minute hairstyles. Hope you guys picked up some tricks and some tips. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. And if you guys want to see any more looks, make sure you write in the comment section below. I'll see you next time.